डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 3.4 इनडेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन का करने जा रहे हैं. दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 विच इज बेस्ड ऑन इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस. सो इसमें एक टाइप ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन. दिस टाइप इज व्हाट इट इज अ एफ एक्स अपॉन जी एक्स, लेकिन डिग्री ऑफ एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू डिग्री ऑफ जी एक्स और डिग्री ऑफ एफ एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन डिग्री ऑफ जी एक्स. So such type of functions are not proper rational functions. ये improper rational functions में आते हैं. So right from the question number 5 we have some questions there कि जो improper rational functions है. So here this fx we either divide by gx and we express it into rational function, that is proper rational function. So here we divide fx by gx, but here there is no need to divide, just simple adjustment करना है आपको constant की. So how we can write this? See, x square plus x square plus x is there, minus 1, and here it is minus 6. So we can express it as integral of x square plus x minus 6 according to denominator, and here we write plus 5, so that this minus 6 and plus 5 give us minus 1 upon denominator as it is x square plus x minus 6 dx. Separate the integral. If we separate it, x square plus x minus 6 upon x square plus x minus 6 dx plus 5, we can write it outside the integral sign, dx upon x square plus x minus 6. Now this is getting cancelled, and after cancelling it we will write it 1 dx only, integral 1 dx plus 5 into, let us write this integral as I1. So 5 into I1, that means I1 is this integral. So we write it, integral 1 dx is x plus 5 into I1, will denote it by say 1. This is our integral I. Now we evaluate integral I1. So अब हमारा I1 is what, dx upon x square plus x minus 6 है. So which is I1 is equal to integral dx upon x square plus x minus 6 है, 1 upon x square plus x minus 6, factors are 1 upon, see factors are x plus 3 and x minus 2 are the factors, so that we can put in the partial fractions a upon x plus 3 और दूसरा b upon x minus 2. Now numerator 1, that is a into x minus 2 plus b into x plus 3. If we put x is equals to minus 3 over here, if we put x is equals to minus 3, then 1 a into minus 3 minus 2, and this will be 0, so that a will be equal to minus 1 upon 5. This is minus 5 and a will be equal to minus 1 upon 5. Similarly, if we put x is equals to 2 over here, 2, then 1 is equal to, this is a into 0, b into 2 plus 3, so that it is 5b is equal to 1. So b will be equals to 1 upon 5, and this is minus 1 upon 5. So our integral I will be equal to, therefore I1 is equal to integration of this and integration of b upon x minus 2. So integration of a is what, minus 1 upon 5 x plus 3 dx, and b is 1 by 5, 1 by 5 upon x minus 2 dx. Now this we can easily evaluate integral dx upon x plus a. Here dx upon x minus a, log of x plus a and log of x minus a. I1 will be equal to minus 1 upon 5 log of x plus 3 and plus 1 upon 5 log of x minus 2 plus constant of integration c. So here 1 by 5 we can take outside and log n minus log n, that will give us log of x minus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c. This is our I1. So this I1 we write over here so that our given integral I is equal to, therefore I is equal to x plus 5 into I1. This is our I1. So I1 is 1 upon 5 log of x minus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c. So this 5 is getting cancelled. X plus log of x minus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c. Question number 6. Here in this question, degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. So again it is a improper rational function. So we divide numerator by denominator. So we divide numerator by denominator. Here it is 6x cube and this is 3x square. So 2x we multiply so that it will be 6x cube, and here it is minus 4x square minus 2x. This will be 9x square and it is 2x. So and this is getting cancelled. So it will be 9x square and plus 2x minus 7. Again this 9 and here it is 3x square. So we multiply by 3 so that 9x square and minus 6x minus 3, which is again this is getting cancelled and here it is plus sign is there. So which is 8x and this is what minus 4 is the 8x minus 4 is the remainder. This is quotient, this is divisor. So that we can express this polynomial as 6x cube. Therefore 6x cube 5x square minus 7 we can express as 3x square minus 2x minus 1 into, this is what divisor into quotient. Quotient is 2x plus 3 plus remainder 8x minus 4. So our integral will become, integral I will be equal to, in place of the numerator we write this 3x square minus 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 plus 8x minus 4 upon 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx. Separating the integral, this is getting cancelled and only this is left. integral, this is getting cancelled and it is 2x plus 3 is left over here, dx plus 8x minus 4 upon this integral 8x minus 4 upon 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx. Now this we evaluate it, 2x square by 2 plus 3x plus, let us denote it by integral I1. Integral I1. This 2 is getting cancelled again. Here it is our integral I. We denote it by I1. I. Now first equation. Now I1 we evaluate. What is our I1? See, I1 is equal to integral 8x minus 4 upon 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx. Now first of all we find the factors of this denominator and put in the partial fractions and evaluate it. 3x square minus 2x minus 1 factors, minus 3 we factorize, that is minus 3 and plus 1. See the middle term. We split 3x square minus 3x plus x minus 1. So factors are 3x and x minus 1, here plus x minus 1, so that factors are x minus 1 and 3x plus 1. X minus 1 taking common, 3x plus 1 is the another factor. Therefore, second integrand I1 we evaluate like this, 8x minus 4 upon 8x minus 4 upon 3x square minus 2x minus 1. This we can put in the partial fraction as a upon 1 factor is 3x plus 1. 1 factor is 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 is 1 factor and another factor is x minus 1. x minus 1. ये हो गया इसके partial fractions. 8x minus 4 upon 3x square minus 2x minus 1 के partial fractions a upon 3x plus 1 and b upon x minus 1. अभी ये जो a and b constant है, we evaluate it. 8x minus 4 is equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into 3x plus 1. If you put x is equal to minus 1 upon 3, this part will be 0 and you will get a. Put x is equals to 1, you will get b. So here we put x is equals to minus 1 upon 3 and 8 into minus 1 upon 3 minus 4 is equal to a into minus 3 upon minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, and this is already 0. This is minus 12 and minus 8. So this is what minus 3 it is. So minus 8 and minus 12 it is minus 20 upon 3, and this gives us minus 4. इसका होगा 3 and minus 1 minus 4 upon 3a. So that a we will be getting, a is equal to what? 5 we are getting. So cancelling this, you are getting a is equal to 5. Then put x is equals to 1 over here. Put x is equals to 1 over here. Then 8 into 1 minus 4 is equal to b into 3 plus 1. This is 4 and here it is 4b. So that b will be equal to 1. So we are getting a is 5 and b is equal to 1. So these are the partial fractions. Integral I1 will be equal to Now integral I1 is equal to integral of a upon, or a is phi upon 3x plus 1 dx plus b is equal to what? 1. So 1 upon x minus 1 dx. Now this is phi and integration of this log of 3x plus 1, and coefficient of x 3 है, so that is to be right in the denominator. So 1 by 3 log of 3x plus 1, and this integral is dx upon x minus a. So इसका होगा log of x minus 1, constant of integration c. Look at the equation 1. Required integral I is equal to x square plus 3x plus I1. हमारा I1 ये है. This is our I1. 5 by 3 log of this and plus log of this. So that we put in the equation 1. So required answer is, हमारा required answer होगा by 1 I is equal to x square plus 3x plus I1. I1 is this 5 by 3 log of 3x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1 plus c, constant of integration. So very beautiful answer you are getting, but the long answer it is. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, डिनोमिनेटर के वापस हम फैक्टर्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इसके फैक्टर्स हो गए 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1, and this is already one factor, x plus 3 is the another factor, so that we can put in a upon, इसको पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन में हम we can put 2x minus 1 plus b upon 2x plus 1 plus c upon x plus 3 plus c upon x plus 3. Now it remains to find a, b, c. So हम a, b, c कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? 12x square minus 2x minus 9. बस a, b, c फाइंड किया, you get the answer. You will get the answer. We compare the numerator that is a into, ये दो फैक्टर्स इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने होंगे. 2x plus 1 taking LCM, x plus 3 b into 2x minus 1, ये फैक्टर इधर नहीं है, x plus 3, then plus c into, ये दो फैक्टर्स यहाँ पे नहीं है, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. Then to get ABC, first we try to get a. तो इसके लिए हमको x is equal to 1 by 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना होगा. तो दिस विल 2 will reduce to 0. अगर हम x is equal to 1 by 2 रखते हैं, so b और c के कोएफिशिएंट्स 0 होंगे. So we put x is equals to 1 by 2, 12 into 1 by 2 square minus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 9 is equal to a into, ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं because it is already reduced to 0. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 3, and बाकी के 0 है. This is 4 and this will be 3. ये 4 होगा और ये 3. This 2 is getting cancelled, minus 1 minus 9. Right hand side 2 is getting cancelled. ये 1 plus 1 2. So a into 2 times, this is 6 7 by 2. Again this 2 is getting cancelled. ये कितना आएगा वापस से, ये 2 और minus 9, that is minus 7. ये minus 7 और ये 7a, that means you will be getting a is equal to minus 1. देन पुट x इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे 1/2 रखा हमने, टू गेट b पुट x इज इक्वल टू -1/2, we put x is equals to -1/2. अगर हम x is equals to -1/2 रखते हैं, -1/2, सो यहाँ पे इक्वेशन में देखो -1/2 रखना है हमको, सो 12 इंटू -1/2 स्क्वायर 1/4 -2 इंटू -1/2 -9, ए पार्ट कैंसिल होगा, सी पार्ट कैंसिल होगा, यहाँ पे 2x + 1 है और x इज इक्वल टू -1/2 रखते हैं हम, सो दिस इज रिड्यूस टू 0, this will reduce to 0 and b you will get, so only we will write the coefficient of b, so b into, we are putting x is equals to -1/2, 2 into -1/2 -1 and -1/2 plus 3, this is 3, ये 3 होगा कैंसिल करके, यहाँ पे +1 minus of -9 and this is getting cancelled, -1 -2 b into -2 and this is what, 6 minus 1 5/2, it is 6 minus 1 5/2, this 2 is getting cancelled again, this is 4 and -9 which is -5, -5 is equal to -5b, so b will be equal to what, 1. Here a is equal to -1 you are getting, b is equal to 1 we are getting. Now we will try to find c. So here if we put x is equal to -3, if we put x is equals to -3, put x is equals to -3 over here, 12 into -3 square that is 9, -2 into -3 -9, this will reduce to 0 because we put x is equals to -3, this will reduce to 0 because we put x is equals to -3. c part आपको लिखना होगा, हाँ, we are getting a is equal to -1, b is equal to +1 and now we'll try to find c. Put x is equals to -3 over here, ये दो पार्ट 0 है, then right hand side will be c into, we put x is equals to -3, it is c, 2 into -3 will be -6 -1 and 2 into -3 that is -6 plus 1, here 108, minus of minus will be +6 and -3, and here it will be c into -7 and this is what, -5, so this is 105 and here it is 75, 35, it is 35c, so that c is equal to here 105 upon 35 will write, and we can find out c here, so that a b c after finding 105 upon 35, okay, so we are getting it is 3, a is -1, b is 1 and a is equal to 3. Here we put a, b and c, so that our integral I will be equal to integration of a is what, -1 upon 2x minus 1 dx plus b is 1 upon 2x plus 1 dx plus c is what, 3 upon x plus 3 dx integration of this minus and coefficient of x is 2, so first of all write it 2 log of 2x minus 1 plus again here coefficient of x is 2, so 1 by 2 into log of 2x plus 1 and plus 3 times log of x plus 3 plus c. We can simplify it further, इसको हम simplify भी कर सकते हैं. 1 by 2 taking outside log of m minus log of n, so that is log of m upon n, so which is 2x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 log m, 1 by 2 taking common, log m minus log m upon n plus 3 into log of x plus 3 plus c. Once you will get a, b, c values, so then we can write the integral easily.